Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video Python program to check whether the number is prime or not using recursion. So let's start it. In the first line defines a recursive function named isPrime and passes parameters number to check if it's a prime number and divisor which defaults to 2 and represent the current divisor being checked. The function will recursively test it if the number is divisible by the divisor. Now, in the next line, it checks if the number is less than or equals to 1 because number less than or equals to 1 are not prime. It returns false if the number is not prime number. Now, in the next line, it checks if divisor has reached the value of number. As if no divisor have evenly divided number up to this point, then the number is prime. Then it returns true, number is prime. Here in the next line, it checks if number is divisible by a divisor, as a prime number cannot have divisors other than 1 and itself. So it returns false because number is not a prime number. Here in the next line it makes a recursive call to the isPrime function increasing divisor by 1 as this checks the next possible divisor until the divisor equals the number. Now in the next line this continues the process of determining if number is prime. Here, in the next line, it prompts the user to input a number and converts the input to an integer. So, the user needs to provide the number to check if it's a prime number or not. Now, in the next line, this line calls the isPrime function with number and check its returns value. If true, prints that the number is a prime number. If false, prints that the number is not a prime number because this determines the primality of the input number and outputs the result. So let's check this. I am entering a number. Hence 45 is not a prime number. Let's enter a prime number. Hence 13 is a prime number. Thanks for watching this video.